So first, as you know, this is the first class, that's why I say something about the syllabus and the name of different books which you will read in this year. So I think you have seen the syllabus, that there are 3 books. Number 1, Fundamental Physical Geography. Number 2, India Physical Environment. And number 3, practical book. These 3 books you will read in this year. Up to the class 10, geography you have read as a sub-part of social science. Now in this year you will read geography as an independent subject. And also I have told that 3 books you will get: Fundamental Physical Geography, India Physical and Environment, and practical book. In class 11 you will read the total physical geography, and today also I will discuss the first chapter, geography as a discipline. I will come later. So in this year, first, all over the world different type of physical features you will read, and as well as India's different physical features you will read. That's why you will get 2 books: Fundamental of Physical Geography, that means all over the world, and India's physical environment, and also have practical book. Different type of practical work also I will do throughout the year. Now today I will discuss from fundamental book, the Fundamental Physical Geography, the chapter 1, Geography as a Discipline. So in this chapter, geography as a discipline, that means in class 11 and 12 the total geography syllabus, what are the topic have, and what is the importance of different type of part of geography. Now today I will discuss. So geography as a discipline, in this chapter 2 main important part. The first one is geography as an integrating discipline. Integrating discipline as a science of spatial attributes. And number 2, the branches of geography. So this 2 part is the basic of the first chapter, the geography as an integrating discipline as a science of spatial attributes. So first, when you will read this question will come, why should we study geography? This is the question, that why should we study geography? This question, the answer is very vast. We live on surface on the earth. Our lives are affected by our surrounding in many ways. We depend on resource to sustain over ourselves in the surrounding areas. So obviously you know that we live on the earth's surface, and also human beings are also related with their environment. in their surroundings. And also human beings also utilize different type of resources which you will get from nature. So as a student of geography, you should be curious to know about the phenomenon which vary over space. You learn about the diverse land and people. You will develop skill to understand the globe, convert it into the map, and have a visual sense on the of the earth's surface. So that means as a student of geography, you will also habituated, or you can also easily understand the image of different cartography, and also you can understand the map and different type of diagram also you will see in this geography subject. So that's why geography student, you will also aware the different type of natural phenomena which is also occurred in our surrounding, and what are the interrelation among them. This is also very important. Now another question also you will face, that what is geography? From very junior class I think you know that. What is the definition? The term geography was first coined by a Greek scholar, Eratosthenes. The name is very important. The Eratosthenes, the Greek scholar, first coined the term, the approximate time 194 BC. This is the name, Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar who coined the term geography. So the Greek scholar have first used this term geography, and when we will explain this term, we will get two terms. One is geo, a Greek word, means earth, and graphos means description. So geo means earth and graphos means description. The Greek geography, that means description of earth, earth description. This is the actual meaning of the term geography, and this term coined by a Greek scholar, Eratosthenes. Very important short question for your exam also. So in this chapter, the total geography, what are the importance, what are the different aspect, different scope, different approach we will discuss. So that's why two questions I have discussed. Why should we study geography? Because geography means description of the earth, and we also live on the earth's surface, and we are also use different type of resources which we will get from our surroundings, and also we can understand the human beings have a great relationship with nature. That's why geography is an important subject. We will read, and what is the meaning of the term geography I have already explained. The description of earth, the earth description, geo and graphos. Now physical geography and natural science. Physical geography and natural science, this topic I will discuss. Geography, physical geography, I have also told that physical geography we will read in this year. Physical geography and natural science. The physical geography linked with, very important, linked with physical geography linked with geology, meteorology, then hydrology, and also pedology. So physical geography also linked with the different topic. Geology, the portion which is discussed inside of our earth structure. Meteorology about the space, and hydrology about water, and pedology also about soil. And also this is the linked with different subject, and physical geography also closely related with oceanography, then climatology, geomorphology, and also another part is soil geography. In this year you will read in fundamental geography this different topic. Oceanography, under the ocean water, what are the different phenomenon also have, like different type of marine animal, what are the structure of the ocean floor, this type of information you will get. Climatology, about the different type of weather, climate. I will come when we will discuss about the branches of geography. We will discuss again geomorphology and soil geography. And also another part, biogeography, is also a part of physical geography. This is another part, it is the biogeography. The geography, physical geography linked with these different part. Biogeography also are important. Biogeography are closely related with botany, that means about the plant, different type of plants, geology, then also another part, it is ecology. The biogeography, physical geography, another part, the natural science, that means geology, and also another meteorology, soil geography, oceanography, all the part also have in the physical geography. That's why physical geography is very important, and physical geography and natural science, that's why geography, physical part also closely related with natural science in a various ways. So biogeography also, botany, geology and ecology, these are also engaged, these are also related with this. So this is the first topic, the geography as an integrated discipline, as a science of a spatial attributes. So from geography we can relate different subjects like biology, like botany, ecology, geology, climatology, this type. Now the most important part of this chapter we will discuss. This is the different branches of geography. This is number 2. Branches of geography. Branches of geography. Generally, there are 2 parts. Number 1, systematic geography. Another 2, regional geography. Systematic geography and regional geography. The systematic geography was introduced by Alexander von Humboldt. Introduced by systematic geography. And a German cartographer, German geographer, and also the regional geography, Alexander von Humboldt, and also another person who also engaged, this is the Carl Ritter. Systematic geography and regional geography are the basic part of branches of geography. Okay, so the systematic geography and regional geography are also a part. Suppose I will give one example, you can understand these two parts. If someone interested to read about natural vegetation, someone interested to read about natural vegetation, so they can first read about the different type of natural vegetation like tropical rainforest, that means the first level is all over worldwide the classification. Suppose another one, monsoon forest, etc. It is a systematic geography. All over the world they will read about the different classification of natural vegetation. After that, when they will read but relate with natural geography about regional geography of natural vegetation, then region wise their distribution. Region wise means country, continent or state level. Country, continent or state level, the regional distribution of natural vegetation they will read. So natural vegetation, if we will discuss or read about from the geography, branches of geography, the systematic geography also you will read the natural vegetation, what are the different types, and regional geography, country, continent or state level, where the distribution of different type of natural vegetation all over the world. Understand? Now, based on systematic approach, we will discuss the systematic geography or the systematic approach. What are the different type? These systematic geography are three part. First one is physical geography. I have already told what is physical geography. The geography, those portion relate but discuss about the natural phenomenon like physiography, different type of river, mountain, etc. The physical geography. Then social and also this is the human geography and biogeography. The first one is physical geography. Physical geography, I have already told that those are physical features, those features created by nature, these are also discussed in the physical geography. Physical geography have different subparts. The first one is geomorphology. Geomorphology, that means the study of landform, with their evolution. Study of landform with their evolution we will read or discuss in geomorphology. Now another one is climatology. This one is also very important, climatology. The climatology, that means the study of structure of atmosphere, elements of weather and climate, types and also region. That means the climatology, we will read the study and structure of atmosphere, elements of weather and climate and types. This is the climatology. In this book, Fundamental Geography, you will read the different type of climatic condition or different type of structure of atmosphere. You will read in the topic climate. Now another part, this is the hydrology. The hydrology, it is also very important, the study of water. Study of water. That means like ocean, lake, river, pond, etc. with living organism. The hydrology, study of water in ocean, river, pond, etc. with living organism. Then those living organisms survive in water. We will also read in the portion hydrology. And the last portion is soil geography. This is also important. Soil geography, different type of study of different soil with features, fertility and importance. So these are the four branches of physical geography. The systematic geography or systematic approach are classified physical geography, human geography, biogeography. Among them, physical geography, there have four parts: geomorphology, climatology, hydrology and soil geography. Geomorphology, study of landform with their evolution. Climatology, different type of structure of atmosphere, elements of weather and climate. Now hydrology, study of water like ocean, lake, pond with their different type of living organism will survive in the water bodies. And soil geography, different type of soil which is spread all over the world, what are their variation, what are their characteristics, and also the rate of fertility also we will discuss, and also their importance. So these are the different branches of or different types of physical geography. You will remind it. Any one short question or any one definition will come in your exam. Say what is geomorphology, what is hydrology. On the time you will write this definition. Now another part, human geography. The human geography also divided or differentiated like social and cultural geography. Social and cultural geography, that means society and its spatial dynamics, society and its spatial dynamics as well as cultural elements. As well as cultural elements contributed by society. This is very important in the part of human geography. That means geography in this portion we will discuss about the relation of human beings with different part of our environment. The social and cultural means people live in a different part. That's why in our country also, if you will see the different part of or different region, their culture or their social structure is different. Those people live in Punjab or those people live in West Bengal. They are all are Indian, but they have the cultural difference, language difference, and their social difference. So this social and cultural geography deals with the variation of different social structure of their different type of cultural or religious different program or different type of elements are contributed by society. So this portion, social and cultural geography, is a part of human geography, and it is also very important because human beings also a part of society. Human beings survive with their surrounding. This is also society. That's the social and cultural geography is very important. Now another topic, another part, it is population and settlement. Population and settlement geography. Next year, class 12, you will read this portion, population and settlement geography. Population and settlement geography, this topic you will read their different age, their sex, that means male or female, their growth, and rural, urban and rural population. It is very easy. Population and settlement geography. In this topic, in geography, the human geography is part, population and settlement, different type of age group, different type of male or female, how many number of male and female, their population growth rate and their distribution, that means they are live in urban or rural areas. This part are population and settlement geography. Now another portion is economic geography. Economic geography. Economic geography means economic geography are engaged with the economic activity in class 10. You have read in geography portion and also the economic subject there discuss the economic geography, that means the different type of activity, economic activity. You know the three type of economic activity, main three type, it is the primary, secondary and tertiary. These three age group, these three type of economic activity, are discussed or engaged or related with economic geography. That means how many number of people engage with primary activity, that means they are doing agricultural work. Secondary activity means they are industrial work, and tertiary who are providing some different type of services. These are also a part of economic geography, and this is also very important because country's economic condition also depend in these three sectors. That's why in human geography the economic geography also a very important part. And also this portion you will read in class 12. So population geography, social and cultural or economic geography, the total human geography portion you will read in class 12. Physical geography you will read in this year, human geography also you will read next year, and some parts of biogeography also have in class 11. And the last portion of this human geography, this is historical or historical geography. Historical geography, that means historical geography means different type of historical region are related with any particular places. The historical process through which space get organized, the geographical feature also experience the temporal changes. That means all the places related with history. That's why in historical geography you will read about the different type of historical background of a particular places. Now the last portion is political geography. It is a very complex part of geography. The political geography means they look at the space from the angle of political event and studies. Political angle and studies with their boundaries, and also the space relation between neighboring political units. So this is the political geography deals with the political relationship with the neighborings, and also the different type of state boundary, their different type of countries boundary we will discuss in the political geography with their different angles. Now another part, so this human geography, there are 5 parts: social and cultural geography, population and settlement geography, economic geography, historical geography and political geography. Among these 2 parts you will read in class 12. Now in systematic approach, the last portion is biogeography. Biogeography are related with plant geography, these also are closely related with physical geography. Plant geography, then zoogeography, then ecology, and then environmental geography. So plant geography means different type of vegetation we will discuss in this part. Different type of vegetation with their natural environment, what are the different reason for this variation. In some places you can find tropical evergreen forest, some places you can find deciduous forest, different type of name of the different type of plants, what are the main reason or the uneven distribution of the plant. This portion you will discuss in the plant geography. Zoogeography, that means it is related with the animals. Different type of animals are found in the different part of the world. Obviously this differentiation also depends on their variation of natural environment or climate. So that's why plant geography, zoogeography is a part of biogeography, and also plant and animals, their relationship with the environment. This is the most important part. Ecology also the another important aspect, and environmental geography. Now you know that environmental science also have a independent subject. It was recently introduced because nowadays we have seen that due to the developmental activities our environment will be degraded day by day. So that's why people try to understand what is the importance of environment, then they can also avoid and they also stop the pollution or different type of activities. The environmental geography are related with the environment or nature with their different activities. So these are the part of biogeography. So this is the systematic geography, the branches of geography. First part systematic geography we have completed. Now regional geography. This regional geography are generally divided 4 part. The first one is regional studies. One chapter you will get in class 12 about this regional geography, regional studies. Regional studies means there are 3 different parts. This is the macro level, very large, meso and micro. These are the 3 parts of regional studies: macro level, meso or micro. These are the region wise, the area wise they are differentiated. Now another one is regional planning. Regional planning, that means rural and urban or political areas. The rural or urban, regional planning, rural or urban. So first, regional studies in a particular places we will discuss. Now regional planning means which type of planning we will implicated on that particular area, it may be rural or urban, for their improvement. It is the regional planning. There are two types of planning. One is regional planning and another one is sectoral planning. The regional planning means area wise they are taking different type of step for improving on that particular areas. If suppose any rural areas in hilly region they are backward, that's why government taken a step for improvement of that particular area. So this is the part of regional planning. Now another part, this is the sectoral planning. Sectoral planning is area in the particular areas, educational sector, health sector, agricultural sector, industrial sector. When they will discuss, they will take in some step to improve that area. This is the sectoral planning. It is the another part. The regional studies and regional planning are the two part of the regional geography or regional approach. Now regional development. Regional development. So after that, regional studies and regional planning, regional development also very important. The regional development took place for the particular areas for improving their condition. Their construction of road, it may be they are providing different type of modern technologies. Some particular places after taking the regional planning, the regional development also took place. And the last one is regional analysis. Regional analysis. It is also another defined part. It is the first one is philosophy. Philosophy. In philosophy, there are two parts: geographical thought and land and human interaction. It is the two part: geographical thought and number two, land and population by human interaction. Human interaction. Land and human interaction and geographical thought. These are the two part of philosophy of regional analysis. Regional analysis means explanation of the particular areas, what are their requirements, how we can improve that particular areas. This is that part. And the last portion, method and technique. Methods and techniques. Method and techniques, this part are included in cartography, statistical techniques, field survey and geo information, that means this GIS or GPS. The method or technique, this is the practical part, practical geography or practical work. This part, method and techniques, will implicate it. There are cartography, then number two, cartography, then statistical analysis, statistics, then field survey. Field survey also very important. Field survey next year also have in practical syllabus, field survey. And also last portion, GPS, global positioning system, GIS, remote sensing. All these are also part of this particular areas, particular topic. So this portion, regional analysis, is also most important because they are description part, analysis part. Also that means method of technique. We will apply this way, this process, this cartography, statistical calculation, field survey, and with the help of GPS and GIS and remote sensing, we can understand different type of geographical condition or geographical features. So up to this, the total first chapter you will read in your home, geography as a discipline, and next classes also we will continue the remaining portion. Thank you.